Alright, let's see how this goes. Saw this on YouTube on some of the shows that we sit there and watch. Basically I'm after carbon rods so that I can make what they call a reactor. So this reactor is basically like an arc welder, but it happens through the two rods, so you can actually control where the arc's going and it's not trying to weld. So to start off with, you get one of those big 6-volt batteries and you pull the little ones out. So there's 4 of them in there, looking like that. Now what we're after is the rods. They're carbon rods on the inside, so apparently that's what we're after. So what I've been doing, as you can see with the one next to it here, to give them a bit of a squashing. I've made sure that they're completely dead by running it right down and then checking them with an arc going across like that. Get off. So the arc going across like that, and there's nothing from earth to the positive, so it's completely dead. Now there's a couple of plastic pieces just to get rid of. Pop out like that, and what we're after is the rod that's in the middle there. It's just a matter of grabbing onto it, giving it a few little turns just to free it up from the membrane in there, and then it comes out. I'll just use that to wipe that down. Now it's got all that black gunk on there. Couldn't tell you what the proper name of it is, but it's the acid itself that it all runs in. So basically with the battery you need your 2 different metals and your acid, so that's what that is in there to run the electricity through. So we no longer want any of this, and all that we're left with is the electrodes. So I've got 3 there so far, another battery to go through. So same thing again, all I did was give that a pop. That just pops that top one off, gets rid of that, and then a bit of a squeeze, try and get that white one to give us a gap to go down. Quite get underneath that one. There we go, now we can get under it. Just pop that one there out. Oh, this one's left a little top hat on there for us. It'll come off. The little metal bit that you actually contact onto. And twist on the rod. Oops. Out it comes. That time the paper bit stayed in there. Just scrape off most of that back in there again. There's the rod. So we've got 4 of them now. 4 arc rods.